Hello everybody, welcome back to EduTap. In this video, we are launching another course for the students who are preparing for IFSC Grade A. In this video, we are launching the crash course, which was the most awaited course for the IFSC Grade A from the students' end. Now, before I start this particular video, my friends, and before I come to the details of the crash course, if you want the previous year questions for the IFSC Grade A, then go in the description box below and download your free ebook now. Previous year questions will definitely help you to analyze that what type of questions are coming in the exam. At the same time, it will also help you to understand that at what particular difficulty you have to study a particular component, let's say commerce and accounts or costing. So you can go and download your free ebook from the description box below. Right. Now, yesterday we have launched 3 courses for IFSC Grade A which were related to test series. Test series for phase 1, test series for phase 2 and test series for phase 1 plus phase 2. Today we are launching another course which goes by the name of IFSC Grade A phase 1 plus 2 recorded crash course. Mind you, my friend, the name is recorded crash course, but over here what you will see is some classes will be available to you. Some classes will be available to you in the recorded format. Some classes will be available to you in the live format. Right? I will show you how. For example, this is the details offering of this particular course. First of all, your phase 1 paper 1, which is about to be scheduled on 11th of October, right? So for QRE, you are getting recorded classes plus the quizzes and the solved previous year questions. So, and don't worry, these recorded classes are not that much old. These recorded classes happens in just, I would say, 2 months back, right? So whatever we have taught to you in that recorded classes, if you cover that up, just practice those questions which are given in the quiz, right? And that is more than enough for quant, reasoning and English. And we are also giving you solved previous year questions which will basically help you to understand that what level of questions appear in IFSCA. Right. Now for phase 1, paper 1, current affair part, we are providing you magazines in the form of all-in-one magazine which cover all the details of important RBI notifications, schemes and report. At the same time, we are providing you recorded classes for current affairs as well. Right. And this will help you to cover your phase 1, paper 1 in the best manner. Just complete these recorded classes and you are good to go. Okay, and just practice the basic questions which are given in the quiz. That's it. Then comes your phase 1 paper 2, or for all the special components. Like for phase 1 paper 2, you have commerce and accounts, you have your costing, you have your finance management, economic and social development. For all these subjects, we are providing you recorded classes again, and these recorded classes are already available in the course once you buy it. Right. And for material purpose, we are also providing you summary sheets, solve previous year questions and the quizzes. So for example, you have completed one chapter of management through recorded classes. Now it's your duty to complete the summary sheet if you want it, and summary sheet is downloadable, right? And you just have to solve some quizzes so that your confidence can increase. So this is all about phase 1 paper 2. So if you see, for entire phase 1, we are providing you recorded classes, and don't worry, again I'm saying these recorded classes are not that much old. They were just completed in the month of June and July only, so they still hold relevance and you just have to complete them. Then comes your phase 2 paper 1. In phase 2 paper 1, we are providing you recorded classes again and folder material. Okay, phase 2 paper 1 classes, if I'm not wrong, are starting from 13th of September itself, but I have written recorded classes just to make sure that you have the correct connection with me, because the name of the course is recorded live crash course. Okay. So if you want to watch the live classes also, you can go and check out the schedule which is already uploaded in the course, and you can join live also. But I think by the time you reach to the phase 2, these classes will be recordedly available to you. So you will learn how to write essay, how to write Pressy, and how to attempt the question of RC also. Moreover, we are providing you folder material also, which will help you to get some quality material to provide it in your answer. Now for phase 2 paper 2, for all the special components over here as well, like banking, capital, bullion, you also have the component of insurance, pension. We are providing you live classes over here, plus the summary sheet, quizzes and solve previous year question. Live classes, when they will be provided, the schedule will be uploaded in your course and you can go and check it. Right. So for phase 2 paper 2, which includes your 5 components, IFSC Act, right, and all the things related to IFSC, Gift City also, pension, insurance, banking and capital market, right? So we are providing all of those stuff through live classes which you can join once the schedule is out. For material purpose, you have summary sheet to study, quizzes to practice, and to increase your confidence, we are giving you downloadable solved previous year questions as well. And yes, for full length tests, there is no need to worry. We are providing you many full length mock tests. For phase 1, we are providing you 20 full length mock tests, 10 each for paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, and same continues in phase 2 also. In phase 2 also we are providing you 20 full length tests, 10 each for paper 1 and for paper 2. So if you have to practice and practice, then this course is also there for you. And yes, don't worry for doubts. For doubts, there are multiple mediums for which you can reach us. You can call us on 8146207241 also. Right, you can call us on this number. You can also email us on hello@edutap.co.in. You can also connect to us through strategy calls. Right, you can also connect to us through weekly mentor talks. So there is no need to worry about doubts will be addressed by us in the best manner as possible. So these are the details offering for the recorded crash course. It is going to be launched today only. So if you have to start your preparation of IFSC grade A today, then this is the best medium for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. And yes, for more information, you can go on our website, which is edutap.in. Check the courses for IFSCA. That will help you a lot. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.